Today we will be taking a look at the NPI initiatives at a local valve manufacturing company. Due to a company-wide reduction in the budget for 2021, the goal is to quickly identify the viability of current projects. The product manager for residential valves has leveraged Cost Insight Report to get a snapshot of the current projects and their deviation from target cost. They are able to instantly identify that the high flow regulator project is significantly over budget, and they decide to remove this from the 2021 initiatives. It is also noted that the economical residential regulator project, a high priority for 2021, is also over budget. Using this same target cost analysis, they'll take a look at the individual project and identify what may be driving cost. Now that we are at that individual part level, they quickly identify that the spring cage is the cost driving outlier. Product management now loops in engineering and asks them to take a look at different spring cage designs to see if there are any alternative designs that may help reduce the cost of this individual component. Later that afternoon, design engineering runs a few different scenarios within aPriori's Cost Insight design tool. Using the existing painted cast iron spring cage as the benchmark for target costs, they compare the current fully machined design to a die-cast aluminum design as well as a plastic injection molded design. Product management decides to shy away from the plastic design because marketing really wants to promote a more robust product, and they're afraid that plastic may portray the wrong image. With the decision to move forward with the die-cast aluminum design, the design engineer analyzes the first design from a manufacturability standpoint. Cost Insight Design will report back issues found within this model. Using the design guidance, aPriori has identified there's a draft angle issue as well as some proximity issues found within this model. Switching over to their CAD system, the design engineer now updates the model to assess the issues aPriori has identified as potential manufacturing risks. With the slightly increased outer diameter and draft angle added to the outer rim of this part, we've now produced a more manufacturable component. aPriori now compares the optimized model to the initial. With a more robust design from a manufacturability standpoint, we can confirm a further cost reduction of this component. Using this fully integrated approach, product management was able to quickly identify dramatic outliers from a project standpoint and pinpoint the areas driving costs within. Leveraging the cloud platform, the design team was able to remotely collaborate with product management and run through multiple design iterations. As engineering made changes at the part level, Cost Insight Report automatically updates that data set for product management to assess. We can see here that after driving the cost down of that individual component, that this economical residential regulator is now back within budget.